welcome to this week's science experiment. It has to do with the letter W. Remember this week, we're trying to remember how to ask a question. So one of the questions that you might have right now is, what is the science experiment? And I'll show you that in a minute. Another question that you might have is, what kind of materials do you need for the science experiment? So first, I want you to think of something that starts with the letter W that we could use in a science experiment. Yeah, water. So we need one little cup of water, and we need some vegetable oil and some blue food coloring and a denture tab. So first, I'll tell you what the experiment name is. It's called a water lamp. And your question might be, how do we make a water lamp? Well, I'm about to show you. So first, what you have to do is put a whole bunch of oil. I used a vase, but you could use a cup if you wanted to. There's the oil, and next we're going to add our W word, our water. There we go. Ooh, that's cool. It's bubbling up. Now, lots and lots of water. If you look in a pool, it looks like it's blue, so I'm going to use some blue food coloring. I'm just going to add little drops. Watch what happens. It looks like it's raining little water tablets. There we go. Can you see all those blue circles in the bottom? That's pretty cool. Now you might be wondering what happens next. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to drop the denture tab right to the bottom, right here. And see what happens next. Ooh, look at all of the blue. It's filling in the water part on the bottom. There we go. Now it's traveling back up and down again. There we go. Kind of have to wait a little bit for this science experiment. Another question that you might have is, could I do this at my house? Well, you could ask your mom and dad. All you need is some oil and some water and some food coloring. I use blue food coloring because that's what I think of, the color that I think of when I'm thinking about water, and a denture tab. I hope you enjoyed the science experiment. Maybe you could try this at your house too. Have a great week.